I am Abdullah Wazir. I hope all of you feeling well. Today, present with me today, the student of Alqadar University. He belong to Balochestan. How are you, Noor Patan?
I am good. Walaikum salam. I am good.
Noor Patan, tell me about the University of Alqadar. Why are you come here?
Starting in the name of Allah is Rahman and Rahim. I am thankful to God, and I am thankful my parents, my brothers, and my precious family. My brother is my backbone. This scholarship was came first time, and he was seeing me, you can do, you apply this, and he's saying me, this is the opportunity for you, you can do. So I applied this scholarship, and I applied this scholarship after 1 week or some days later. The result was came. I was looking consider, and I was looking the short list, and my name is come there. This my name is came to this short list, and today now I'm here the University of Al-Qadir. I think this university is different in other universities.
Yes.
Because this university environment is different. This university environment is amazing. This university environment is amazing, and this university staff in brilliant staff.
Noor Patan, what are you saying? This place education and your hometown education.
Yes. All right. So I got my previous education in our Balochestan. In my Balochestan education is good, not bad. But this place, if we comparison this place education in our Balochestan education, I think this place education is best, because that's why this place people, and I mean the Islamabad, this people and his child is rich. Because in our Balochistan the education is very good, but system is going wrong way. The larger thing in our Balochistan is poorness in a high level.
In which facilities give you in this university?
If seen our university, in here our university give us many facilities in the shape of the clean and filter water, and electricity, and indoor game, outdoor games. Here our hostel 24 hours electricity provide us, and I'm thankful my our director and our precious lecturers. Thanks a bunch, Abdullah Wazir, for inviting me.